Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn how to protect our workbook or worksheet. In Excel, we create data tables, forms, reports, and sharing with different teams or peoples. While sharing, sometimes we want to protect the workbook structure or data so that user can't change or modify. Sometimes it's required that user can modify particular cells or range in protected sheet. All these we can do using Excel security and protection feature. So let's start. If your Excel file contains sensitive information or an important data, then you can make your Excel file password protected so that whenever any user opens your Excel file, it will ask for the password. To make your Excel file password protected, go to File, click on Info, then click on Protect Workbook drop down and select Encrypt with Password option. In the Encrypt document box, provide the password, click OK, re-enter the password, click OK. Now the Excel workbook is password protected. Save the file, close the file, and when you open your workbook, the Excel file will ask for the password. If you enter any wrong password, Excel will throw the error message and you have to close the file. If you enter the correct password, then the file will open. I have a sheet having user form and the mapping sheet from which data is used in user details. If you want that user can update the data in user details, but user should not be able to add, delete, rename, move or copy, hide or unhide the sheet, then we need to protect the workbook structure. I have the mapping sheet in which data is mentioned. I don't want to show the data to user, so I can hide the sheet, but I want that user should not be able to unhide the sheet. Now, if you click on user details sheet, option insert, delete, rename, move or copy, tab color, hide, unhide are enabled. Also, the plus sign to add the new sheet is also enabled, and if I click on plus sign, a new sheet is added. If you go to the home tab under the cells group, if you click on the insert drop down, the insert sheet option is enabled. If you click delete drop down, the delete sheet option is enabled. Now I want that all these sheet related options should be disabled. I want to protect my workbook. So to protect the workbook, go to the review tab and under protect group, click on protect workbook option. In protect structure and windows, enter the password. The option windows is disabled because it will be enabled only for the Mac systems. Click OK, re-enter the password and click OK. Now the workbook is protected. If I click on user details, the option insert, delete, rename, tab color, hide, unhide, all are disabled. So I am not able to unhide the hidden sheet. Also, if you go into the home tab and under cells, if you click on insert drop down or delete drop down, insert sheet and delete sheet options are disabled. Go to the review tab, the protect workbook option is highlighted. It means the workbook is protected. To unprotect the workbook, click to protect workbook option again. Enter the password in unprotect workbook window. Click OK. If you click on user details, all the options are enabled. If you go to the home tab, click on insert or delete drop down, then insert sheet and delete sheets are enabled. Instead of protecting workbook structure, if you want that user can see the data, but user should not be able to modify the data, then you need to protect the worksheet. To protect the worksheet, open the sheet, then right click on the sheet and you will find protect sheet option. The same option is available in review tab and under protect group, protect sheet is available. Click on protect sheet, enter the password in protect sheet window and click OK. Re-enter the password in confirm password box and click OK. Now the sheet is protected. If user click on any cell, the Excel will throw a message to unprotect the sheet before making any change. If you right click on the sheet which is protected, the protect sheet option is changed to unprotect sheet. Also, if you go to the review tab, the protect sheet option is changed to unprotect sheet. To unprotect the worksheet, click on unprotect sheet option and enter the password and click OK. Now the sheet is not protected and user can make any change. In the protected sheet, if you want that user can update specific range, then we can specify those ranges. In mapping sheet, if we want that user can update the data only for the column F, but not any other data, then select the range, go to the review tab, click on allow edit ranges option under protect group. In allow users to edit ranges window, click on new, give any name. The refers to cell is already showing the selected range. In range password, give any password which should be different from the protect sheet password. Click OK, re-enter the password, click OK. Now click on protect sheet button and enter the password to unprotect the sheet. The first password we have provided so that user can update a specified range in the protected sheet. So I'm giving a different password. Click OK. Re-enter the password to unprotect the sheet. Click OK. Now, if you click on any cell, the Excel will throw the message. But if I click on column F, unlock range option will appear. Enter the password if you want to change column F. So I am specifying the password, click OK, and now I can make any change in column F. But if I click on any other cell, I will not be able to make any change. Now similarly, you can add different ranges with different password so that corresponding team can modify the data. Now in any protected sheet, it is possible that user can update only specific cells. In the user detail sheet, I want that user can update only 4 fields: name, age, state, and city, which I have highlighted with yellow color. So select all the cells which user can modify even the sheet is protected, and then right click and select format cells option. In format cells box, click protection tab and uncheck the locked option and click OK. Now these 4 cells are unlocked. Now go to review tab, click on protect sheet option, specify the password to unprotect sheet. So I'm specifying the password, click OK, re-enter the password and then click OK. Now the sheet is protected. If I click on any cell, Excel will throw a message. But if I go into the unlocked cells, I can provide it the details. In protected sheet, you can allow users to modify the cells, columns, rows, link, auto filter, pivot table, and other options also as per your requirement. User detail sheet is already protected. If I right click on the sheet name, on protect sheet option is there. It means the sheet is protected. Now first unprotect the sheet, enter the password, click OK. Now the sheet is unprotected. If I right click on the sheet name, protect sheet option is available. That means the sheet is unprotected. Now click on protect sheet option again, enter the password. Now, if you see the allow all users of this worksheet two options, different options are available which allow user to make changes in the protected worksheet as per the selected criteria. By default, the first two option is selected, which allow user to select both locked and unlocked cells. It means if you move the cursor will move to both locked and unlocked cells. If I uncheck select lock cells option and click OK, re-enter the password and click OK. Now if I move the cursor will move only to the unlocked cell. And if I click on any lock cells, Excel will not allow to select locked cell. Similarly, there are other options also. To check those options, first unprotect the sheet and click on Review tab. Go to the Protect Sheet option again. Specify the password. Now select Format Cells option. Now this option will allow user to change the cell format and the conditional formatting. So click OK, re-enter the password and click OK. Now if I go into the any cell, right click, select Format Cells options. Now you can change the cell color. Similarly, in the mapping sheet, first unprotect the sheet. Now I'm using auto filter option. Protect the sheet again, enter the password and select use auto filter option. Click OK, re-enter the password, click OK. Now user can filter the data. In the worksheets, sometimes we are using the formulas. Based on the user details, I am showing some information using some formulas in E2, F2, G2 and H2 cells. Now, if you don't want to show the formula used, select those cells. You can use control option to select the different cells. Then press control 1 or right click and select format cells option. Click on protection tab and select the hidden checkbox. Click OK. Now right click on the user details sheet and select protect sheet option. Specify the password. Select lock cells option. Click OK. Re-enter the password and click OK. Now if you select the cells, the formula bar is not showing the formula used. In this way, you can protect the formulas used in the worksheet. In this video, we have learned how we can protect and secure our workbook structure or worksheet. Even the sheet is protected, you can allow user to take some action on the cells, or you can allow user to update specific cells or ranges. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel and share your feedback, suggestions and query in comment section. Thank you.